You don't have a discipline problem. You have a system problem, built by people whose entire job is making sure you lose. You're not weak. You're not lazy. Willpower was never going to fix this. And what actually works is coming up. Quick thing before we get into it. Hit subscribe now. Just use willpower. Doesn't work. Willpower runs out, like a phone battery. You use it all day making decisions, what to eat, what to say, what to ignore. By nighttime, when you're most likely to scroll, your willpower is basically dead. So telling yourself just resist at 11 p.m. is like asking a phone at 2% battery to run a video game. It's not going to happen, not because you're broken, but because you picked the wrong tool for the job. The real fix? Stop needing willpower in the first place. Move the phone, not your mindset. Here's the one change that matters most. Put the phone somewhere else. If it's sitting next to you, you'll pick it up. Not because you're weak, just because it's there. But if it's in another room, you now have to get up, walk over, and go get it on purpose. That little bit of effort is often all it takes to stop the automatic reach. You don't need more self-control. You need one decision made once. Where does the phone sit? The problem isn't the app, it's the surprise. Deleting the app usually doesn't work long-term. Why? Because the real hook isn't the app. It's not knowing what you'll find when you open it. That maybe something good is waiting feeling is what pulls you back. Two easy fixes. Turn off notification badges, the red dots and numbers. Your brain can't ignore them once it's learned they might mean something good. Add tiny friction. Grayscale your screen or make certain apps load a bit slower. Even a 2-second delay is enough to give your brain a chance to think before it acts. Don't leave an empty hole. If you just remove phone checking and put nothing in its place, that gap doesn't stay empty. You'll fill it with something else, often another form of the same habit. So don't try to jump from checking every 30 seconds to an hour of total focus. That's too big a leap and it'll fail. Instead, start small. A puzzle, a short walk where you look for something specific, a book with short chapters, anything that rewards you every few minutes. Then slowly stretch that gap, week by week. Get bored on purpose. This is the part nobody wants to hear. Sit and do nothing. No phone, no music, no book. Just be bored. It'll feel bad. That's the point. It means it's working. Every minute you sit there without reaching for your phone is like a rep at the gym, rebuilding your ability to sit still without needing constant stimulation. 10 minutes a day of pure boredom does more for this than any app blocker ever will. Make it stick. Whatever new habit you pick, don't count on motivation. It's highest on day one and drops fast. Instead, attach it to something you already do every day. Right when you wake up, right before a meal, right when you sit at your desk. Track it for 3 weeks. Not because tracking magically changes anything, but seeing the streak is often what keeps you going after the motivation runs out. You didn't fail before because you lacked discipline. You failed because you were using the wrong tool, willpower, against a problem that needed a different fix. Change your environment, kill the surprise, and get comfortable being bored again. Do that, and the habit that took years to build can start reversing in weeks.